Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is a midweek market update for the week of March 18, 2021. So let's take a look on the overall market. So this week, tomorrow will be a quadruple witching day, so which is a lot of option expire, future expire. So a lot of people, they roll over the contract, they get out, they move to the next quarter. So that's why the market is a little bit choppy, and then it should be stabilized after tomorrow. So let's see, we will find some opportunity to buy tomorrow. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look on the S&P 500. Look at the chart right now. So you see that every time the market back at all-time high, they will pull back. And you see the market all-time high yesterday after the Fed meeting, and then they keep interest rate the same, and then the market will go up, and then today they go back down. So we have seen this one at the market, that the nature of what they want to do. They go up, they pull back down, they go up, pull back down. So the overall trend is still bullish. One day pull back down doesn't mean that the market is going to come down. So we're still looking for potential for the market to find a support after tomorrow, and then they're looking for opportunity to push it up again. So let's see where they go. But remember, we are in the all-time high. So the risk is very high, but as long as the market is still keep up the momentum, the market to get to somewhere before they have a multiple day distribution, and that's where you start to worry. The market it hit the top, and then they need to have a bigger correction. At this moment, they are still up and down, but as long as they still hold tight, okay, the price is still up, okay, the moving average is still upside, we are still stick with the bullish side. Okay, so look at the NQ, it's a little bit weak. That's why you see that a lot of technology stock, they had a problem to get back up. Why the other index, they make all-time high. The NQ, which is a technology stock, they have a trouble to go higher. But the way I see them right now, the market is probably they find the support at this level. So right now they push it back up again. They hit to the resistance. So if they are able to hold up at this level and then revert to the upside, and then we can have a invert head and shoulder pattern here. So if they can hold up at that level, and then definitely we will see some kind of invert head and shoulder pattern here. And then if they break this line here, they will continue to the upside. Okay, so right now they are to choppy sideways correction. They try to build a right shoulder right now. After they finish that, and then probably they will find a way to put it back up again. So that's for the Nasdaq. For the Russell 2000, it still put it back up. Now they pull it back down a little bit to find the support before they can turn around. And the Dow, it also make an all-time high. Okay, but they give up a little bit today. But right now they still hang tight. So the price is still in the upside. So technically it's still very strong for the Dow. And if you look at the oil, okay, the oil, after they run up too fast, so the people, they slam it down today. So right now they try to find a support at this level here. So looking for a rebound, because the oil cannot go too fast, and then the price become expensive. It's hard for people to afford, so it's good for them to come back down before they can find some momentum, and let's see if they can find a way to rebound again. And if you look at the gold is also tries to find a support here, try to break through the resistance here. If they're able to punch to this level here, and then the gold can be they can change direction to the upside. Let's see if they're able to do that. Okay, they're looking for momentum, so it seems like a more buyer to coming in here, maybe with the buy gold for hedging on the inflation. So if they're able to punch to that level, gold will put it to the upside. And look at the Bitcoin. They try to go up, but they hit the resistance, so they pull back. So they are still choppy, but overall trend is still bullish for the Bitcoin. If you look at a lot of stock that we are talking over the weekend on the weekly market forecast, airline, even they up and down sideways, but still bullish. A lot of stock in that sector, like Boeing, they hit the resistance, they pull back a little bit. This one here, all sideways. Okay, so a lot of stock they make all-time high, so people take some profit, but the market is still hold up very high. Okay, so airline is still hold their financial. Definitely, it get a big boost from the $1.9 trillion packet there. So they are a little bit standard, but with a lot of free money there, the bank should be benefit as long as they still hold up here. It's still bullish. The construction, okay, like Home Depot, they still doing very well here. So hopefully they can find a way to break through that level, okay, and then continue to the upside. And Honeywell also try to punch through the resistance and hit to the top again. JP Morgan also run very fast to the upside, but they are kind of extended overboard right now. They go too fast. Okay, a lot of stock on the hotel lock-in, they still doing very well after the breakout. They go up, they pull back down, but overall trend is still bullish. A lot of stock on the TripAdvisor, it still shoot up. They still hold up into the upside. Okay, airline definitely at United Airlines still hold very tight to the upside, and the UNS, actually another stock from Dow, they're doing very well. They try to find a way to gain some momentum today, and try to find a way to break through this level. If they can break through this level, will be much more bullish in the future. Also, like Axsteel, okay, mining, gold, and they are all try to build a base here. They pull back. Maybe they try to make another right side here. If they can punch to this level, will be more bullish for the gold, silver, steel, the mining, the kind of commodity. Okay, so this week, right now, tomorrow, it's the Quadruple witching day. So that will be the interesting day for the market. You see a lot of, it will be a little bit volatile. Okay, let's see how people, they roll over their contract. So I found a couple of stocks here, so it was to watch. And then you can see here, first of all, at the Verizon. Verizon, this stock has been pulling down very hard. Okay, so they ran about between 61, 62 to 53 here. So they are able to follow support at the level. They punch it up, but they couldn't go higher. They hit the resistance. They pulled out. They pull up. But as long as they're sticking here, so they will find a way to get out of the triangle here to get up to the top again. So today, even the market has pulled out hard, but they are still hold up very tight, and they try to find a way to get back above the moving average here. So if they can hold up at this level, they will find a way to get out of the triangle and push it higher. Okay, the next one is the Pfizer. This stock has also been down very badly. Okay, since they hit to 42, $43 on December, and then they slammed it down. This is one of the major distribution for the COVID vaccine, and then they come back down. They go into the buy zone. Now they are able to find a way to get back above the old bull average. If the momentum it can push it back up, they can easily get back to this level in the short term. Okay, and the next one is let me see here. So the next one is the AEM. So this stock is the Anico Eagle Mine. So another gold mining here. So this stock has been beaten out also very deep to the bottom here. So if they be able to find a support at this level here, they're looking for some kind of rebound to the upper level here. Okay, and next one is a Lululemon. Lulu is also ULU. So this stock is okay, have been slammed down very hard since last year after pandemic, and then they go up. They couldn't make it higher. They put it back down. So now they found the support at this level here. So if they can hold up here, and then this is the downtrend line. If you watch out for the reversal here, if they be able to close about 317 there, and then this one can be rebound back to the top again. Okay, so that one, two, so we have total at AZM. Oh, another one at Alibaba. There's another one that also slamming down here. So finally they dead for a while, but since yesterday the market they were able to follow support at this level here, and now they try to rebound back up. So if they can clear this line here, okay, around 341, 342, then they can revert to the upside, and they were looking for a short-term rebound up to the Dow trend line there. Okay, so that's a 5 stock that I have for you. So you watch out, put in your watch list, and so that tomorrow, they will just check around and give you the opportunity to take a look to see how they're doing, and then you can put into your watch list and then take the action, depending on the market, what they're going to tell you. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. And if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to read the chart correctly by using a modern technical analysis combined with a crowd psychology and money management, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And if you are busy, you can sign up with our premium watch list. In there every week, I will select about 4 or 5 stocks and analyze in detail with a entry, stop loss, and target, so that you can follow to see how they lay out. Okay, so that's all I have for you. So thank you very much for watching, and then I will see you on the weekend. Take care, everyone.